Have you ever wondered what your handwriting says about you beyond just the words on the page? Each curve, loop, and stroke tells a hidden story about your personality, emotions, and even your mental state. It's a fascinating world where meets identity, revealing layers of who we are without a single word spoken. Understanding handwriting is more than a curious hobby. It's a tool that has been used in psychology, criminal investigations, and even business to interpret character traits. Your handwriting can influence how others perceive you, affecting job opportunities, relationships, and personal confidence. In a digital age, where typing often replaces writing, the unique imprint of your pen still holds immense power. On one hand, large, rounded letters might show an outgoing, friendly person brimming with optimism. Small, precise writing could indicate meticulousness and a love for detail. The slant, pressure, and speed of writing all contribute to a deeper insight into mood and temperament. People even use handwriting to uncover hidden stress or mental health concerns, showing that what we write can be a mirror to our mind. But it's not always straightforward or entirely reliable. Handwriting can change due to fatigue, environment, or simply learning new styles. Some skeptics argue it's too subjective to draw definitive conclusions about personality, learning disability, leading to timely support. These real-life examples highlight the power and sometimes the limitations of deciphering personality through penmanship. There's a deep emotional connection to writing by hand. It's personal and vulnerable, carrying the energy and intent of the writer. When someone writes a heartfelt letter or a journal entry, the handwriting itself can evoke warmth, nostalgia, or comfort beyond the message's content. Yet, as technology advances, we risk losing this intimate form of self-expression. Typing, while efficient, lacks the subtle nuances that handwriting reveals. Reclaiming and appreciating our unique script could foster greater self-awareness and improve emotional intelligence in a world that often feels impersonal. Imagine taking a moment to observe your own handwriting, or that of someone close to you, discovering traits and stories you hadn't noticed before. This simple act can open doors to better understanding and empathy, strengthening human connections in unexpected ways. Your handwriting is more than just scratch on paper. It's a powerful, personal language that bridges your inner world with those around you. Paying attention to it invites insight and curiosity, reminding us that individuality is written deep within us. So next time you pick up a pen, remember that the strokes you make are uniquely yours. Explore the world of your handwriting. It might just tell you something new about who you truly are.